Suncha wona bibia Peter Leba nala awa there if you do am Peter Leba na him do am
I say nti yo anko do bia monstro yeah nti ada yo monstro be Fameye conversation kakra bi da we share do ide ye boda ye clear ye bi about footase nti what trade what take kobody bi
Paco Rex me won now say won ya
me ginem
wa bom
last time I share attack
true okay me hu baby but yentuma nkasa abom me hu tema this is tema
yeah
1st January yeah
and I share with
oh true made in Tadin so ncha wona bibia Peter Leba nala awa there if you do am Peter Leba na him do am right abom trust
new one with Stoneboy in our recording
oh the sounder other form kakra nti gradually I mean we are seeing ourselves on the chart top 100 audio mark we are in top 5 YouTube we are doing well DJs no so volleyball and that's why I'm here today nti I think say gradually it's working.
Aside from that, so brother, I'm not for see I want you no recording because they want who festivals here or could do in Europe.
Right.
What's the plans towards that?
It's something I'm working towards it. Or maybe I may work around to do that. But for now, I think I have Malamu my personal ones. Yeah, my organizer my personal tour. All starts September 20. Maybe boom. I pick it September 20. May Spain. Barcelona Veg on the 20th. May Germany Munich. Inti ejuma lekodo. Bibia lekodo soft kwa.
Nice one. Last month in about
boom.
Last week video be dropped out.
Hi. Okay.
Who DJ now I'm feeling comfortable with
stand. Bra.
But church and some ye.
Me this is a good question. Me and my DJ we don't fight.
Yeah.
It's part of our craft. Yeah, young conda. With the bibia glitch be about stage be ever.
What be said has one rehearsal na
David okay. Yeah rehearsal na yeah. On the mad na ya wo mu. Yeah.
Sagana na the negative no pon or trend.
Wala fast order. Wala asem na no wala kan nyame sha. Blessings. Mad love.
That's my order.